Hello sir, today me and my friends will present our slide that represent problems that teenagers face during MCO. First of all, let we introduce ourselves. My name is Nur Syuhada Tika binti Baharudin and my matrix number is 14DTK20F1047.
Hi, I'm Hanisa Safia binti Ismail. My matrix number is 14DTK20F1014.
Hello sir, my name is Rashida Zulaika binti Roxy. My matrix number is 14DTK20F1011.
Teenagers' well-known major problem during MCO is online learning. As teenagers, education is the most important thing to embed it. There is nothing wrong with online learning, but there are two situations that will become a problem to teenagers as a student while handling online learning. The two situations is technical issue and lack of proper device. First, teenagers' problem while online learning is with the technical issue. For example, low internet connection. Many students are not well equipped with a high internet connection that is required for online learning. Because of that, they face problems in going live for virtual learning and other education platforms that require internet connection. A slow and high internet connection can play an important role in how quickly they can attend the class and do not miss any live sessions. Low connection will lead to difficulty to get the information that the lecturer is trying to convey. There is a possibility of poor connectivity if you find difficulty in downloading some information related to the subject or blurred videos during online meeting. Next, teenagers' problem while online learning is lack of proper device. We all know that the computer is the most convenient device to use for online learning as its capability to get a better understanding data and increase our productivity. However, there is also students that cannot afford to use that kind of device due to lack of finance and also because the price of the device that is unreasonable due to high demand. So the students only use their existing device that has a lot of disadvantage for online learning such as the smaller screen.
Okay, these are some product or service that can help students during MCO. Government can provide free learn gadgets such as a tablet, netbook, laptop or handphone. As we know, with the COVID-19 situation now, all things like schoolwork are in online. The gadget is indispensable for us to catch up on all the schoolwork. It is possibly hard for some students that don't have the essentials. With the help of the government to provide students with the gadgets may help a lot. Other than that, the government also can provide affordable data package service for cheaper data plan, thus using them to get internet access. Most of the plan data package offer unlimited data access but in a high price. It can be difficult for students to pay the plan with a high price every month. So the government can provide cheaper data plan with affordable price for students.
Effect of free learn gadget. Therefore, students born into low-income families can save on the cost of buying electronic equipment as the government has provided free learn gadgets without any payment needed. Effect of affordable data package services. Furthermore, the benefits of this are students are able to use their money on another important things, such as school fees, school stationery, and etc. Besides, spending RM30 per month and multiply by 12 months, which is cost them almost RM360 for data plan only. They could save the budget if government provides free data plan or cheaper data plan compared to another data plan such as U-Mobile, Maxis, Telkom. For example, Sultan of the State of Johor provides free Wi-Fi which is named as Johor Wi-Fi. By this facility, students are willing to go to school or any restaurants that near with the Wi-Fi so that they could save their money by buying the data plan. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.